In this video, I will show you how you can organize your videos on your YouTube channel using playlists. Therefore, you have to be logged in with your Google account, and then you can click on the photo on the right, and then you click on your channel. On your channel, you choose Customize Channel, and on your channel customization dashboard, you click Playlists. And if you have not made any playlists yet, then this will be empty. Mine, I already have some, so I will make a new playlist by clicking on the right on New Playlist. And I will call this YouTube How-To Videos and NL, which means Dutch, and I'll leave it to public because I would like to have everybody see the playlist, and then I create. When it's created, I click on it, and here I click on the three dots on the left and add videos, and then I choose your YouTube videos, which in this case are mine, and then I select the video that I want to put on this playlist and click on add video. And if you want to make more playlists, you can repeat this, but this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next. Ciao, ciao.